you are stuck on the Outlier waitlist, or you've been told you need a $1,000 laptop to earn in USD, this video is for you. Today, I'm ranking the top 7 AI job sites specifically for those of you who only have a smartphone. So, guys, we are putting them into a definitive tier list based on how much they pay and most importantly how easy they are to use on mobile. So guys, we have got the S tier sites that pay $15 per hour and have high approvals for Africans, and the C tier sites, you can use this C tier site to buy data while you wait for the big ones. All right, so make sure you stick with me right to the end of this video. And of course guys, to actually apply to these websites you will need a CV. All right, so if you need my own templates to actually get started and get approved on this site, just type over in the comment section and I will send it to you. All right, so guys, let's get into the logic. So the first website on our list right here is simply called Clickworker. Clickworker is the UHRS platform. They can be clunky on mobile, but their base app is actually decent. So now guys, Clickworker right here, you can make money from anywhere anytime right here on the Clickworker. And of course guys, you simply receive your payments weekly right here on the Clickworker, and you can withdraw to Pioneer, SEPA, PayPal, ACH payment right here. So guys, like I said, also they are mobile friendly, so you can actually go to Play Store or the App Store to actually download the app. All right, so guys, now if this is not available in your country, I want you to actually check this one out. This one is also a C-tier website, just like the Clickworker. Now right here we have one format. It's one format has a good pay, but only specific language tags are mobile friendly right here, and the rest need PCs. All right, so now as you can see right here, you can explore a variety of project categories like annotation, data collection, dogging, transcription, translation, and so on right there on the one format. So guys, it is easy to get started right here on the one format. You want to join a global community, get certified, match with the right opportunity, and contribute to AI innovation and start earning. So guys, one format is mobile friendly, so please take note of that for those that are asking maybe they can actually do this on their phone. So the next one is simply called Timmy.co. So guys, I actually made a video on this. You simply get paid for posting right here. So you can see right here, you simply want to join the challenge and create and post content, and then after that submit your live post link and get a brand approved. So guys, when you're approved guys, you simply rank and earn for performance, quality, or both right here on the timmy.co. So guys, you simply want to watch my video on how this works, so you can actually go to the description of this video and watch the video. You're going to see the video right there on timmy.co. So now you simply want to go through it to actually get more information on this. So guys, now the next website right here is also a good website, big tier website, Atlas Capture. So this is specifically built for image video collection via smartphone camera. So guys, you simply help train the next generation of breakthrough AI, and you get paid to record simple everyday tasks from home, and you can join thousands of contributors helping build the future of AI and robotics. And guys, now you can come here and view the available opportunities, and this is how it works right here on the Atlas Capture. And of course, this is what we do right there on Atlas Capture. You simply want to complete a simple tasks that help train AI systems to understand the real world better. You record videos, submit data, and earn from home right here on the Atlas Capture. And of course, guys, like I said, this is mobile friendly. You can download their app to your phone and get started right here on the Atlas Capture. So guys, you can simply take your time and read through. Right, and the next one right here is a tier website, productive playhouse, and this is great for voice recording tasks which are easier on a phone than a PC. So guys, now as you can see, they also have new site coming soon with expanded AI and multilingual capabilities. So guys, you want to actually take note of this particular website, productive playhouse. All right, so if you're interested in part-time language work or a long-term career at productive playhouse, they offer on-site and remote opportunities around the world. All right, so now you can simply come here right here where you see careers page, or so you can actually click on this careers page to actually get started, or simply call their staffing line right here. All right, so guys, please, if you actually getting value, please like this video and subscribe here to subscribe. All right, so the next one on our list is simply called Toloka.ai. Of course, guys, this is a tier website, and I actually call this the king of mobile. Their app is reliable for quick tasks and instant payout. So guys, you should want to take your time and read through right here on the Toloka.ai. And of course, if you want me to make a dedicated video for this, please let me know in the comment section, and I'll simply work on it. All right, so now the last on our list, which is the S tier website, the best one right now that I know is simply called Luel.ai. And of course, guys, Luel.ai have high approval rate for Africans and perfectly optimized for mobile data training. So guys, if you want to know how you can actually start any right here on the Luel.ai, you simply want to watch my video. I'll be leaving the link also in the description of this video. Simply go watch it right now and get yourself approved and start any. If you need the CV template, you simply want to type mobile in the comment section, and I'll show you how you can actually get access to it. So guys, this is what I have for you in today's video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.